I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing some cloud slime using a little thing I found at Daiso, which is Magic Snow. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. Also go ahead and comment down below any video suggestions. Also please subscribe to my channel so you can always be notified every time I upload. Alright, now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a mixing bowl and something to stir it with. Next up is our activators. I am going to be using baking soda as well as contact solution. This is our school glue. Also a container where we can store our slime. Our main ingredient here is our Magic Snow, and again I found this at Daiso for around $1.50. Some water as well, and then some glitter. This is optional, so it's really up to you guys. Okay, so we're gonna start by pouring our glue onto our mixing bowl. Alright, so now I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I'm going to stir it. We're just going to make a regular slime right now. So just kind of follow your own recipe. If you have a better one, you can do that. So we're just going to mix that all together. And then we're going to start adding some contact solution just to activate this. We're going to keep on mixing until we get the consistency that we want. And just keep repeating the process of adding contact solution. At this point, you can also start kneading it with your hands or just keep on stirring. It is up to you. Alright, so now that we got the slime in an okay condition, it's still a little bit sticky. This is the part where we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of glitter to our slime. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start adding some glitter to our slime. Like I said, this is optional. You don't have to do this, but I just thought it looked pretty. And then just kind of mix it up a little bit more. And then just keep on adding. Okay, so like I told you guys, I found this at Daiso, and I'm not sure if it's going to work, but we shall see. Alright, so this is the Magic Snow right here. Okay, this is really hard to open. I don't know how much we need. I've seen videos where they say you don't need that much, but I don't know. We shall see. This is really dry, so I don't even know if it's going to work, but we shall see. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some water. And it's not supposed to look very watered down. It does have to look like snow. So I'm just adding little by little. And it just absorbs and it starts getting bigger and bigger. So at this point, I'm kind of just mixing it in with my fingers. I think I'm going to add more of the snow think I'm gonna probably use the whole thing actually. And add a little bit more water. And just watch it grow, everyone. Okay, I will say that this snow from Daiso does get a little bit clumpy. It actually already came like that, so I don't know if it's like a problem with the Daiso snow or it's supposed to be different. I don't know, but I hope that it still works anyways. So I'm just adding more water to get rid of the clumps, but just be careful because you don't want this to become a very like icy type of consistency, so you do want it in powder form. So just make sure to be careful as you're adding your water. Alright, so now that we have our slime in perfect condition, we're going to go ahead and add our snow. And wish us luck, because I don't know if this is going to work. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and mix it in with our hands. Alright, you guys, so this is our finished product. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is definitely cloud slime. It is so fun to play with. I did end up having to use 2 bottles of the Daiso in Magic Snow, but it's still fairly inexpensive. I mean, they're only $1.50 at Daiso, and yeah, usually if you get instant snow on Amazon or any of those websites, they run pretty expensive, so I definitely recommend this Daiso Magic Snow. It definitely works. I did add a bit of glitter, but I don't know if you can tell that it has glitter, but it's still super fun to play with. And it's super stretchy, you guys. I wish you guys can see how stretchy it is, and like you can actually feel how nice it is. Super nice and stretchy. It's just like the perfect cloud slime. It's so awesome. And yeah, this is what it ended up looking like. Alright, you guys, so we are done with today's video. Our slime came out looking so fun and stretchy and cloudy. I am so proud of it. I love it, and it's so pretty because I can actually see the glitter and kind of like the crystals on the snow. It is just a beautiful slime. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and also go ahead and leave more slime ideas because I am currently obsessed with slime. So we are done. I'll see you guys later, and yeah, thank you. Bye bye.